guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing today? Let me know down in the comments below. We're going to be creating a soft glam look today using only drugstore products. This is going to be super easy, hopefully, and I'm going to try to be as thorough as possible. Without further ado, let's get started. The palette that I'll be using today is a Milani Bold Obsessions. This is what it looks like. The shades in here are gorgeous. It is so pigmented. It is so freaking good. So the first shade that I will be going in with is this one right here. It's this sort of a brown shade right there. You can take any blending brush that you have. So I'm just going in with that shadow and I'm going to take this from the corner here. I'm going to take it to the front of my brows and I'm just going to leave it there. Simple as that. So take it from the corner and then just connect it to the front of your brow, just below the front of your brow, and then almost like to the contour of your nose. The reason that I love soft glam looks like this, why I keep it completely simple, is because whenever I'm contouring my nose, I can just literally just take the contour of my nose and use that same contour powder to just kind of create this look. It's so simple and so easy to do. So that's basically all I'm doing. I'm just sticking with the contour of my eye socket here, a little above my eye socket, and I'm just kind of connecting it to my nose contour and just kind of ending it here. And then I'm just sort of blending this outwards. Just like that. Okay, so now you can leave it like this and it's gonna look soft and it's gonna give you that soft glam look. Go ahead and do the other side of my eye really quick here. Okay, so that's super simple. I have left the middle of my lid completely empty. So it kind of looks like it's like a cut crease, but not really. You didn't have to do anything. It just looks like a kind of like a soft cut crease, and that's basically the goal here. I'm just going to take very little of this dark sort of brown shade right here, and I'm just going to take that same brush and just literally tap it very little. And in fact, I'm going to take the back of my hand and I'm going to swirl this just to soften it up because I want a little bit more dimension. So I'm just taking that and I'm going to run it right at my crease. But because I softened it up, it's not coming out as harsh as that really dark brown shade is. So I'm just gonna take that, apply it to the corner of my eye like this, very lightly. I'm holding this brush all at the bottom and I'm holding this very lightly and barely touching the skin. Okay, so I'm gonna put emphasis on the outer part of my eyelid right here and then go right to the front. Okay, just like that. Again, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And again, taking it to my nose contour, barely touching my skin. So basically the trick is to literally leave the middle part empty and you're just playing with the outer corner and you're taking it all the way up to your brow bone. And you're just going to like sort of windshield wiper motion this until you're really happy, and like one shade is enough if you want to do like a complete like very subtle look, but I just really wanted a little bit more dimension, which is why I added a little bit of that darker brown shade. Now, one thing that I really like to do with my face shape is I like to give it a little bit more of an elongated sort of effect. So again, what I'm doing right now is I'm just like sort of blending that, okay? So that's all I'm doing. So it looks kind of elongated this way. Like whatever is left over, I like to apply that like where my brow bone is and like right below it. And what this does is it kind of gives your eyes a little bit more pulled effect. You know when you tie your hair back, you tie your hair like into a ponytail and you have that cat eye effect. If I were to pull my hair back, you have that like cat eye sort of, you know, look, which I really love. I really enjoy that. So that's why I kind of add a little bit of this brown and I sort of just run it down here so that it looks like my eyes are lifted. So I'm going to take this shade right here, this one up here. Okay, just like that, and I'm gonna do that to the other eye as well. and just make sure everything is blended. Okay, so now I'm taking this one right here and I'm going to hit my inner corner, just very slightly, not too much. And I want to keep this as subtle as possible. So this is just going to give you that wide awake look, and it's just going to pop your eyeshadow a little bit more. So I'm just applying that on my inner corner, and I'm applying that under my eyebrows as well to highlight my brow bone. So I'm just using this NYX lip liner, and this is in the shade Urban Cafe. It's my favorite lip liner. I use it almost all the time. I might go in with a lip gloss, but I don't know yet. Right now, I just want a matte lipstick on me right now. So this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, by the way. This is in the shade Sand. So tip to the dark skin girls out there who think that this looks pasty. All you need is a really dark lip liner, dark brown lip liner. And once you apply a dark brown lip liner underneath the lipstick, the really light lipstick, it will really look really good. Okay, so I'll show you. So I just apply that and then I pat it in. I'm gonna show you the Drugstore sort of dupe from the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. What you can use instead of that one is this one from Essence. This is called This Is Nude 05 Legendary. So this is also really nice. So let's go ahead and curl the lashes and apply some mascara. I just highlighted the tip of my nose, and I'm gonna leave the rest of my face as light as possible. This is as easy as it can be. I love this look. I love to do it whenever I am going to meetings, going to work, going to school, anything that requires just like me to look glammed up, but not really. But it looks so natural. I wouldn't say it looks natural, but it's not like super, you know, hardcore glam with lots of like colors or anything. It's just a neutral look that you can do anywhere when you're going anywhere, I feel. And yeah, it's just a perfect look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this, if you like me. And without further ado, here's a kiss goodbye.